Hello, we are visiting this amazing garden house in Big Grand Bosques. The garden is 274 square meters. You can go inside the apartment through the living room, we'll visit soon, and the 3 bedrooms. This is the master bedroom, and these are the secondary bedroom and the living room. It already has the curtains. They are all electric curtains. It has this nice pergola. So let's visit the apartment. This is the living room and the dining room area. It's very, very big. You have the elevator to get right to your apartment, and this is a half bathroom for visits. Unluckily, I don't have the control for the curtains, but it is very nice and practical that they are electric. No, this is the social area that you can get directly from the elevator. And to the left side, you have the kitchen, the service area, the family, and the 3 bedrooms. Let's visit first the kitchen. It seems a little dark because all the curtains are down. Here you have a good space to put a dining breakfast place. And this is the area for the laundry. The service entrance. This is a room for the service with the bathroom for the service people. And this is the entrance, the back entrance, where you have a huge service elevator. Now let's go and visit the family room and the 3 bedrooms. This is the family room. As you see, it's very big. No? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 big steps. And these are the 2 secondary bedrooms. As you can see, you can go directly to the garden from the bedrooms. This is the closet, or what is a walk-in closet. And the bathroom. of this. This is the other secondary bedroom and walk-in closet, which is very similar in size and distribution as the first secondary bedroom that we saw. Also, you can go out directly to the garden from this bedroom, which is very nice. I don't know if you can hear the birds singing. And the walk-in closet of this secondary bedroom. And let's go to the master. This apartment has 4 parking spaces. Look, this is the master bedroom, which has a huge size. And here is the space for the walk-in closet. You can make it your own design to your requirements, according to your requirements. And a nice private bathroom. It is 294 meters inside plus the garden.